Hi everyone, I'm Bruce from GCE Technology, your trusted partner in smart energy solutions. Today, we will unlock the power of this high voltage rack battery system, engineered for industrial safety and seamless energy management. Ready to see how it's done? Let's dive in.
First, gear up with essentials. Safety isn't optional, it's priority 1. Step 1. Always start with the circuit breaker off. Then validate voltage. Chain modules like dominoes. COM2 to COM1 end with a resistor. Set your IP to 192.1680x plugin and launch RBM's monitor. One click and you're the conductor of this energy orchestra. Parallel mode? Simple. Link COM out to COM in. Cap it with TCAN activation.
And that's energy mastered. Questions? We are here 24/7 at hngc.com. Until next time, power smart, stay safe.